Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Maitri Tak. I'm a student over here in college.
Great.
So,
And have you ever taken the IELTS exam?
yes, I did.
Okay, what did you take the academic or general?
Yeah, as I'm a student, so back in India, I took an academic test.
Okay, and
Yeah.
what part of the exam did you find challenging?
Basically, what I found was like reading section was quite difficult for me. Not quite difficult, but yeah, like in section three, there are three sections in reading. So I found section three was quite difficult for me.
Yeah.
But rest it was good. But then after I realized that if you pay so much of concentration, you can definitely get the answers.
Yes.
So I solved that same question when I went back home, and I solved that question. So it was quite not easy, but it was like we can solve that. If
Yes.
we could.
So, what type of question did you find challenging in the reading section?
Yeah, so that is section number 3.
Uh-huh.
So in that, I think so there are 10 questions in
Like
section.
match headings type of question, or
Yes, exactly.
Match
The
headings.
matching heading the questions. Yeah,
Yes,
that was
yes.
quite difficult.
And can you give any advice for anyone who's looking to pass the IELTS exam?
Yeah, I feel like proper advice is to just uh, if you have booked your exam exactly after a month, so I should say that in that particular month what you have your time in your hand, you have to like work very very hard. When you feel difficulty, like many people have difficulty in writing section, some have difficulties in reading section. As per me, I had problem in reading, but I was not having problem in rest modules.
Yes.
So at the end you have to work on that particular module.
Yes.
But don't forget to not practice the other modules.
Yes.
You should practice other modules as well simultaneously, but focus more on which you are lacking.
Yes. So, what did you do to practice? Did you do mock tests or?
Yes, I used to do. There is a book called Cambridge.
Okay.
So I used to do Cambridge test. First, I used to practice it. Then I used to do the test.
Yes.
As much
that's
as
great.
I can do.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time. Any last minute advice you could give to our students? For the speaking section, maybe, or the writing?
Yeah, for speaking section, I can say that many of the students or an individual who is coming for general or like academic, or in whichever way you are coming, if you are having problems in speaking, there are people who have problem in speaking while when they see some other people. So I would like to suggest them stand in front of mirror, and as much as you can speak, try to speak, and try to find some not common words, some unique words.
Yes.
And try to find new 5 words every day, so that 5 words will be helping you in speaking and writing as well as both.
Yeah, that's an amazing advice. That's great
Yeah.
advice because that's the only way you'll improve, right?
Yeah, that is the
Yes.
best thing. And
Yeah.
I can say one more thing is that when you write something in your writing section, speak loud as much as you can. So the thing is that what you will read, that you will hear, and that will be in your mind when you speak to someone, or that words will come to your mind when you talk to someone, or it is like a general advice.
Yes.
I can say it is going to help in your IELTS as well as in any other field of your
Yes.
life.
Thank you so much for your
Yeah.
time.